Hello everyone, and welcome back to Shib. In this video, we'll discuss the final opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu coin at this discounted price. As you may recall, the token has dropped below $1 in the last week due to a significant decline, but the whales have once again entered the market and purchased billions of ships. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba price forecasts. The cryptocurrency market's rebound was short-lived, especially with regard to the declining meme tokens. Similar to houses of cards, in the past few hours, Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, has fallen about 133%, sending it back into the red on a weekly basis. The debut of the burn portal by the Shiba Inu team a few weeks ago was one of the company's major announcements. Its purpose was to assist address the issue of the oversupply of SHIB tokens. Even with the massive amount of Shibu tokens out of supply, the SHIB price has not increased significantly. In fact, over the past few weeks, the SHIB price has declined to 5 zeros, though the coin has recovered the zero over the last few days. Despite this, the adoption of the burn portal has been impressive thus far. Over 400 trillion tokens have been burned. However, the performance of the Shiba Inu coin has not kept up with that of Bitger, as Bitger was performing so well when the Shiba Inu was posting a sharp decline, in contrast to Shiba Inu BITC. One of the things that sets BitArt apart from meme coins is Core, one of the cryptocurrency initiatives with actual utility. According to Unification, a public beta test network will launch in the third quarter. According to a post by Unification CEO Mazir Sudri, the company creating Shiba Inu Sharum Layer 2 public testnet will enable other parties to communicate with the network. The public beta test net will enable parties to fully interact with the network, including the validation process. The network's developers are working hard to create several valuable features during the public beta testnet in the coming months, so that Chinu investors will get a peek of Sharum and have a deeper understanding of the network. Sudri said that another revelation made in the blog post is that the Sharum private testnet has been operating for a few weeks already in anticipation of the public beta testnet release. Before the incorporation of shibaswap, a new Medium blog post delves deeply into Sharum's technical requirements. This wallet will support delegation and staking in addition to bidirectional asset transfers between Ethereum and Sharum. Based on Sudri's blog entry, the main tool is an Ethereum wallet application, which is undergoing significant development. Before shibaswap 2.0 is incorporated, assets can be sent and received using the wallet. There will be delegation and staking in the wallet. Although this is only the public test network, the Sharum team may completely unveil the burn mechanics when the entire Sharum network is operational. The burn mechanism on the SHIB Warm network is not discussed in the Unification blog. With the popularity of meme coins increasing dramatically, shibainu has become one of the best performing cryptocurrencies globally and is now ranked among the top 15 in terms of market value. The meme-inspired cryptocurrency asset is presently among the top 100 biggest whales in the previous 24 hours and the top 10 digital assets by trading volume. Whales is exerting buying pressure on the token, as it is among the top 10 most purchased tokens. In comparison to certain other assets, its performance over the last 7 days has been deemed good. On June 21, the Shibu cryptocurrency token increased by more than 45% and was included among the top gainers in the cryptocurrency market. Markets for stocks surged strongly into the weekend, with the S&P 500 finishing Friday's trading session 3% higher and bringing its weekly gains to around 6.5%. The surge in equities throughout the week was supported by market observers citing an unexpected decrease in a measure of U.S. consumer inflation expectations that is closely monitored by the Fed as allaying concerns about excessive monetary tightening from U.S. central banks. Increasing wagers on a U.S. recession in the near future were also mentioned as generally boosting risk appetite in equities markets, with the key takeaway here, according to market observers, is that the improvement in U.S. equity risk appetite has facilitated further upside in cryptocurrency markets, which have been closely correlated with stocks in recent months. As of Saturday, the total cryptocurrency market cap was around $940 billion, up around $60 billion this week and up over 23% versus last week's lows of around $760 billion. This is because weaker growth with lower inflation and less pressure on the Fed to tighten so aggressively with a positive bias. Bitcoin is now trading in the mid-$21,000 range and is aiming for a break above previous weekly highs in the upper 21,000 range. A break above these levels might lead to a push higher toward a 21-day moving average in the low 24,000 range. Bitcoin's weekly gains are currently at just over 4%, while altcoins are outperforming, indicating positive sentiment in the cryptocurrency space. As a result, Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto market is expected to decline further this week, to around 43.5%, down sharply from above 48% at the beginning of the month. This weekend may be another testing ground for the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, while demonstrating resiliency this week and regaining ground above such a significant threshold, senior market analyst Craig Lamb of Wando warned that even though Ethereum broke above $1,200 on Friday, it is presently holding. He stated in a comment on Friday that support still appears weak below and that another break may really put faith in the space to the test. Above, if the second largest cryptocurrency in the world based on market capitalization can overcome resistance around $1,200 per token, it may potentially rise to the 21-day moving average, which is located at $1,350. This would bring weekly gains to almost 8.5%. According to CoinMarketCap, Shiba, on the other hand, has performed the best among the top 20 cryptocurrencies over the past 24 hours, rising by nearly 12% to over 0.0000115. The much-anticipated Shiba Burn Portal prizes, also known as Rashi Vision Rewards, may be given out over the next 48 to 72 hours starting on June 26, according to a recent announcement made by the ShibaSwap DEX Twitter account. The developers of Rashi's Vision, an EC20 token aiming to grow the Shiba ecosystem, will provide further updates following the release of the awards and subsequent completion. The Shiba Inu burn page was developed in late April. The burn gateway was created to give SHIB burners a passive income acknowledgement in the form of Rashi rewards. Additionally, according to the Shiba Inu team, 0.49% of all Rashi transactions will go to the once the SHIB burn site appeared. SHIB owners went to burn their tokens in large numbers, resulting in an astounding 8 billion tokens being destroyed in less than 24 hours. Since the original burn, which took place about 2 months ago, more SHIB tokens have been torched. Shiba Burn is a smart contract that projects may utilize to establish a burn pool and provide incentives for SHIB token burning. This concludes our discussion. Remember to give the burn portal a thumbs up. Over 56 billion SHIB tokens have reportedly been burned, according to data from the burn portal. Users can permanently remove SHIB tokens from the available supply by sending them to a burn address. Doing so can somewhat increase the token's scarcity, which could increase the token's value. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.